Kachara Paradise, one of the 13 departments of Kachara House Buddhist Association. Among our honorable guests today, I'd like to welcome Bhante Dhammapada from Bricksfield Buddhist Mahavihara Center, Dr. Rishi, Ambassador to Nepal in Malaysia, Mr. Henry Oi, Director of Kachara Paradise, Dr. Merikan, President of Kachara Buddhist Association, and Mr. Tan Murthy, the main sponsor of Kachara Paradise Legal Home, and his lovely wife, Mrs. Merikan. Welcome to you. Actually, today we're gathering here is for a double celebration. A double celebration means that we have two grand openings of two of our departments in Kachara, in Viva Home. The first one you're going to attend is Kachara Paradise. Later on, I would like to invite the guests to stay behind and proceed to Kachara Oasis, which is located on the 7th floor, our vegetarian restaurant. We are also celebrating the grand opening of this outlet here today. Okay, without further ado, I'd like to invite Mr. Henry Oi, the president of Kachara Paradise, to come forward to give us a few words here.
Venerable Dhammapada, who is here to represent the most venerable chief, Dhammapada, who is in the post today. Thank you for the presence. His Excellency, Ambassador of Nepal, Dr. Rishi Adhikari, welcome. Thank you for the presence. Dr. A, President of the Kachara House, Mr. Panwiket, and Richard, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our official opening of Kachara Paradise. Now, as Margaret has said, this is one of our 13 departments and one of the 5 retail outlets that we have in the Great Canada. This concept of retail outlets providing Buddhist items to the public was the brainchild of our guru, our spiritual guide, His Eminence Dhammapada. We started about 10-12 years ago in a small shop in Southeast Asia. And today we have 5 retail outlets, 4 in the Klang Valley and 1 up north in Penang, 2 more subsidiary, 1 in Johor and 1 in Bantam, that is in the east. Now, why does Rinpoche want to have such a retail outlet, retailing, showcasing Buddhist items? For many people who drop by the Kachara retail outlet, from the outside it looks like it is a commercial entity. It looks commercial, it's not very nice, but that is not the main reason why His Eminence chose to start it. The main reason for His Eminence of starting such a retail outlet, number 1, primarily is to spread the Holy Buddha Dhamma, the teachings of Lord Buddha Shakyamuni, where Lord Buddha Shakyamuni taught and learned the will of Dhamma 2,600 years ago. That is the primary reason why Kachara Paradise started. The other main reason is for our members, for people of the Buddhist faith to be able to come into our shops, choose and invite holy items home for their practices, for their meditations. There are some people who even invite them as showcase for art. But whatever it is, all these items are all consecrated. They are all consecrated by His Eminence and our group of devotees in Kachara House Buddhist Association in Putrajaya. Now, not only are for example, the Buddhist statues, not only are they consecrated, they are also natural signs. Each and every statue, even if it's a charter, we would have mantra inside, so that it is filled with the Holy Scripture. Okay? So it is different in the Java paradigm, is that we are not selling statues. We are offering the opportunity for members of the public and our students to be able to invite home these holy objects for their practices. That is very important. If not, then most people think that we are selling statues. We are not. And of course, the third important reason that we started this type of retail shops is to provide employment opportunities for our members and even for people who are not members. Okay, these are the three main reasons. As far as commercial is concerned, that is not on the agenda at all. So that is why we started it. Now, where do we start? Well, as I said before, currently we have 4 in the Grand Valley. Over here in PJ, we have 2. One is in Sunday Pyramid, and another up in the land. Now, what is interesting is that how do we start such a retail outlet? All our retail outlets are funded by very generous benefactors. People who believe in our cause. Why? Because when they look at Pechara, as a whole, His Eminence Tangible Rinpoche at the forefront. People check us out, they know what we do, they believe in our cause. And such people, such benefactors, they come forth and they say, yes, I see what you people are doing, I will join. And as part of my rejoicing, I would like to sponsor for opening a retail outlet. So the sponsorship comes in many forms. It can be for the renovation, it could be good for the inventory, the stocks that we own. So there are many forms of sponsorship, not only for our retail outlet, but also for our various other departments, divisions within Pechara Hub. Well, for Pechara Paradise in Lipa Home, we were very fortunate to have the sponsorship of Mr. Peng Likiat. Likiat is the eldest son of our gracious Dato' Nepal, the president of Pechara House. Now, I can go on and on and on the whole day talking about the whole organization, but you're not here to listen to me babbling on. I have said what I have said for now. I will be happy to talk to the press if they are around later. For now, I would like to hand the mic back to Margaret to invite Dick Likiat to give a short speech.
Thank you, Mr. Henry Rose. Thank you. Okay, I think Mr. Peng Likiat, you have to come forward to say a few words on this very special occasion.
Good morning, everybody. Well, thank you for inviting me this morning. And well, I didn't know. Well, I knew I had to make a short speech, and I didn't really plan for it. I had not thought about what I want to talk about. But I just want to say that it's an honor for me to do this, and the purpose that I chose to do this is so that I can benefit others, and also that people can benefit from coming here and learning things, and you know, and improving their lives at the end of the day. So thank you once again for giving me this opportunity to be here and to do something for others.
Thank you, Mr. Pang. Okay, now we are coming to the ribbon cutting ceremony that we're all waiting for. So I would like to invite all the honorable guests to come forward. Mr. Henry Ooi, Mr. Pang Wee-Keat, Vanu Dhammasala, Dr. Rishi, Dr. Intan, Mrs. Lin.
现在到了我们期待已久的剪彩仪式，那我们有请我们今天的特别嘉宾为我们的这个剪彩仪式。
And we are presenting the golden scissors for the main sponsor, Mr. Pang Wee-Keat, to officiate the grand opening ceremony of Kuchara Paradise. Thank you.
大家可以看到，我们主要赞助人方伟杰先生的手上是拿着一把这个金色的剪刀，那就是帮我们见证了这个隆重的开幕仪式。
Thank you, Mr. Pang Wee-Keat.